there, Bird Plant Girl here. Today I'm going to be doing my best to make a wreath, and we'll see where I get from there. I never did one before, but I'm going to try and make one out of the evergreen boughs. I've done other kinds of wreaths, but never one with this kind of greenery, so I'll do my best to see what I come up with, and I thought I'd bring you along to see what happens. So let's give it a go. To start, I just thought I'd show you I have a bucket here of bits and bobs from evergreen branches that I had cut. So these are just cut down to shorter lengths here. And there's a few different types of each in here, just what I got from the farm. And if you want to see how I collected these, I have a video up, visit to the farm, collecting evergreen boughs, so you can check that out. And then I cut a few dogwood branches just out of my yard here. They're just a few of the thicker, older stems. Hopefully I can incorporate those into the bundles to put in here. So I'll cut these down smaller as I go. I just only have a few, so I just wanted to use them as I go and cut them as I go. Hopefully that works out. I have a wreath form. Hopefully you can see that. It's just a wire form. I'm not sure. I think this one's about 12, maybe 15 inches. I think 12. I have some paddle wire, wire cutters, some snips, my gloves, because already just in setting this up I have sap on my hands. I'll want those. And then I grabbed some just different ribbons, and I have some lights and some other twigs and pine cones and things in this bucket that I might use. So the first thing I'm going to do is just attach the wire to the frame. And I'm just going to give it a few good wraps, just to make sure it's securely attached to the frame. So now that I have the wire attached, I just want to go through and grab some bundles, the evergreens here, and I want to grab a selection of different textures and colors. Going to wrap the wire around 3 times, nice and tight. Dogwood to put in that one, and I'm going to put this one just kind of angled up on the form and down from the other one a little bit. And just keep going through. Now this one I'm going to angle down just a little bit. Fairly tight with the wire. I think the bigger the bundle I get, the bigger the wreath I'm going to get, so hopefully I have a hole in the middle when I'm done here. So I'm going to angle this one up a little bit. of the pines have almost a yellowiness to them. Some of them are deep green, and some of the firs are a blue fir, and some of them have a bit more green to them. So I'm just trying to vary the colors in there. A bit more dogwood. I'm thinking every third bundle I'm going to try and add some of the dogwood in. Just trying to put together a nice little bundle that looks nice to me. And then if they're too long, I'll snip them down. That'll be my last bundle. So I just tucked it in. Try and wrap the wire around it without catching everything else. wire here so I can tie it off just like I did when I started it. Just tie it to the frame. You could leave a longer length of wire if you wanted to turn into a loop to hang it from. So I'm just taking this wire and looping it around the frame, back and forth a few times to make sure that it's very secure there. I have these lights and I'd like to try and attach the battery pack to the back of the frame if I can. And then put these little lights on. So I'm going to try and wire this up on the top. There's actually a little hook on here. I'm going to use that. You can flip it over. These lights are indoor-outdoor. My wreath will definitely be hanging outdoors because I'm actually allergic to the fur on here. I don't know if you can see those, they have plastic wrappers on them, but I was just looking at the ribbons. I have pine cones, but I don't think I need them. I kind of like it like this, and then I'm just going to make a big loop to hang it with. And I think that's all this is going to need. Could I wrap it? Well, we'll see. I'm thinking it needs the wrap, so I'm going to wrap it. That turned out very nice. I hang that on my door and give it a try. So, thanks for watching. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you aren't already a subscriber, then hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of my other videos. And we'll see you next time. Bye.